Hello friends, now we see the problem 2 of question 3, which is also based on shift of origin of chapter Locus. In sub question 3, we have given point -4, 8 as a new coordinates, and we have to find the old coordinates, that is small x and small y. So in this way, we get the value of capital X is equal to -4 and capital Y is equal to 8. Now, by using transformation equation, we have small x is equal to capital X plus H and small y equal to capital Y plus K. Therefore, small x is equal to, now for capital X we substitute -4, and for shift of origin H we substitute -2. So on simplifying further, we get x is equal to -4 -2. So finally we get the value of small x is equal to -6. On same line, small y is equal to capital Y plus K. Therefore, small y equal to, for capital Y we substitute 8 plus, and for K we substitute 1. So on further simplifying, we get small y is equal to 9. And therefore, old coordinates small x comma y is equivalent to -6 comma 9. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.